The heart of the Indigo system is really the sensing technology. That's where we start. Vaisala has designed, developed, and manufactured these sensors ourselves in our own clean room. These sensors offer excellent long-term stability, reliability, and accuracy. We then pair those sensors with Indigo transmitters, and the Indigo transmitter allows you to modify and customize based on your specific application. Some of those advantages allow the ability to swap probes out in the field while they're powered up and still running. This allows you to send units back to us or to your own lab for calibration, minimizing downtime. And by doing this, you don't have to shut your process down. You get the stability and the reliability over a long period of time by doing this calibration without taking them down and swapping them out with the host transmitter. The Indigo is a modular platform, so a couple of the examples that we can talk about briefly here. The most common one is tissue and cell growth incubators, and in those we're measuring the conditions of relative humidity, temperature, and CO2. Those parameters are critical to cell growth and cell culturing. That work is done to do testing, in vitro fertilization, and research. And having all three parameters can be tied into one Indigo device allows the customer to take these measurements and connect them all to one piece of equipment to display those parameters, data log those parameters, and be able to monitor those over a long period of time. One of our latest sensing technology we've developed is a sensor that measures vaporized hydrogen peroxide. It's a common agent used to biodecontaminate. So in between processes and testing, you need to make sure that the space you're working in is free of any previous cells that might have been grown. And this gas, vaporized hydrogen peroxide, is ideal for destroying all of those gases, of those cells that are there. And we have a sensor that can measure that relative humidity, the concentration of the vaporized hydrogen peroxide, the temperature of the process, and also the relative saturation of the process, allowing you to measure all the required parameters to make sure you're decontaminating the process to meet the requirements in that application.